What's up, everyone? Cuttrax here. Today we have some Yowie Gummies, and it says with surprise inside pet toy. And I thought it might be like an actual pet toy for like a dog or a cat, so I was kind of confused how it fit in here. But by pet toy, they mean that you get a piece of paper and this plastic dog that looks, exactly like the paper, and you get some facts on the back. There are apparently 16 dog toys or pet toys to collect, and I have 16 boxes. This one's already open. So let's go through here and see if we can get all of them. The actual gummies are decent, but we're after the pet toys. See what's in this one? Feels like a turtle or something. It is a turtle. We have a African aquatic side neck turtle. Add that to the pile, go to the next one. So far, 2 for 2. This one also feels different. It kind of, you're getting some fish vibes off this one. We do have a fish. Not sure what type of fish. It's very odd looking. It is a black angelfish. If you want some fun facts, they're known for being very intelligent and carnivorous. Add that to the turtle and dog pile. On the next pack. Oh, we got another dog. Maybe a beagle. It is in fact a beagle. Got 2 dogs. Turtle and a fish, not bad start. Surprised there are no duplicates yet. Check the next one. Oh, we got a frog. See what type of frog this is. We have a African clawed frog. I don't think that really looks anything like the picture, but it's okay. Next box. These are all the 16 you can get. First repeat, African clawed frog. It's okay, we can just build an army of frogs. See what this one is. Is this a bulldog again? It is a bulldog. We have another repeat. Add him to the pile. And this is the last one of the first box. And we have another bulldog. Got 3 of those now. Now we have a fresh sealed box for the next round. All 8 gummy containers. And for some good luck, we have the magic gourd. Let's rub the gourd for some good luck. Okay, first box of the second pack. Well, this one looks different. Some type of gecko? And we have a leopard gecko. It's kind of a stretch, but I guess it works. See what we got in this one. Well, second leopard gecko, and this one's foot is a little messed up, but it's okay. You can join another one. Third pack of the second box. Okay, we're 3 in a row for the leopard gecko. Somehow this one also has a messed up front leg. Let's see if we can go 4 for 4 on the leopard geckos. Oh, this one's different. We have a tarantula. It's a little flat. It is the Chilean rose hair tarantula. See what the next box has. Another leopard gecko. That is the 4th leopard gecko that's been inside of this second box. Half the box has been leopard gecko so far. Okay, we got a different one. We have a cat. We have a Siamese cat. Eyes are a little weird, but that's okay. Let's get a Siamese cat fact here. Known to be curious, smart, and demanding. Very vocal. Make great pets. That's a lie. These ones are mean. Next box. This kind of feels like a tarantula again. It is another Chilean rose hair tarantula that's a little flat on the top. That's okay. And this is the last box of the Yowie Gummies. See what we have here. Another tarantula. The second box was literally half leopard gecko and then 3/4 tarantula with just one cat. So it's not much variety happening, but the first box is a little bit better with some turtles, dogs, and frogs. It's a nice overall collection.